Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Epoxy Glue is probably one of the most versatile and powerful adhesives available for metal repairs and bonding, capable of creating incredibly strong, durable, and often waterproof connections that can withstand significant stress and environmental factors. Whether you're tackling a broken tool, a loose car part, or a DIY project requiring a robust metal bond, choosing the right epoxy can make the difference between a temporary fix and a permanent solution that looks and performs like new. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes a top-tier epoxy glue for metal and help you find the perfect product for your needs. Number 5. Gorilla 2-Part Epoxy, Clear, 0.85-ounce Syringe, 2-pack. Introducing Gorilla 2-Part Epoxy, designed for incredibly strong bonding. It's perfect for both household and automotive repairs, ensuring a durable hold every time. This epoxy dries clear, providing a clean and professional finish to your projects. Its durable hold makes it ideal for seamless repairs. With a quick 5-minute set time, you have ample opportunity for repositioning and adjustments. Get your repairs done efficiently without compromising quality. It effectively fills gaps and bonds uneven or vertical surfaces with ease. This versatile epoxy ensures a strong connection on challenging areas. Our epoxy offers excellent water resistance, withstanding moderate exposure to water. This adds an extra layer of durability to your repairs. The easy-to-use syringe dispenses both components evenly, preventing premature hardening. It also includes a cap for convenient multiple uses. What we like. This epoxy offers a crystal-clear finish and sets in just 5 minutes, making it ideal for quick, invisible repairs. If you're looking for a strong bond that won't be noticeable, especially on visible surfaces or for automotive touch-ups, this is a fantastic choice. Its gap-filling ability also makes it versatile for uneven surfaces. What people say. This epoxy glue is incredibly strong and bonds metal surfaces securely. The fast-curing formula allows for quick repairs, saving time and effort. It creates a durable, waterproof seal that withstands harsh conditions. Number 4. FITTDYHE 7000 Jewelry Glue 50 ml. Discover the ultimate adhesive for your creative projects. This clear glue offers a waterproof and highly elastic bond, leaving no visible stains. It's perfect for restoring items and creating beautiful crafts. Achieve intricate results with its precision tip and anti-clogging cap. Apply small, controlled drops for detailed work on everything from rhinestones to delicate repairs. From cell phones and jewelry to fabrics and paper, this multi-purpose adhesive works on a vast array of surfaces. It's your go-to for countless crafting and repair needs. Experience superior performance with its high elasticity. It can stretch significantly without breaking, ensuring a durable bond that adapts to material expansion. Engineered as a professional jewelry glue, it boasts high-strength viscosity for a firmer hold. Achieve a strong, lasting bond with a quick surface drying time and full cure in 24 to 48 hours. What we like. This adhesive provides a highly elastic and waterproof bond, perfect for delicate applications where flexibility is key. If you're working on jewelry, phone repairs, or fabric crafts where movement or slight expansion is expected, its precision tip ensures accurate application. It's also excellent for restoring items to look like new. What people say. This epoxy glue is incredibly strong and durable, perfect for metal repairs. The fast-curing formula means you can get back to using your items quickly. It creates a permanent bond that is resistant to water and chemicals. Number 3. Permatex 84101 PermaPoxy 5-minute General Purpose Epoxy. Introducing a fast-setting, clear epoxy designed for permanent strength. It provides up to 3,400 psi, making it ideal for demanding applications. This easy-to-use, 2-part dispensing syringe allows for a simple application process. It sets in just 5 minutes, eliminating the need for clamping. When dealing with larger gaps, this is a better choice than super glues. It effectively fills gaps and won't shrink after application. It offers excellent resistance to both water and solvents. You can rely on its performance in temperatures ranging from -60 degrees Fahrenheit to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. This epoxy is perfect for complex, multi-piece assemblies. It bonds securely to a variety of rigid materials, including ceramics, glass, metal, and plastic. It creates strong bonds on materials like ceramic, chrome, fabric, fiberglass, glass, hard plastic, metal, and rubber. Achieve lasting results with this versatile adhesive. What we like. This general-purpose epoxy boasts a rapid 5-minute set time and permanent strength without the need for clamping. If you need a quick, robust bond for complex assemblies or rigid materials like metal, glass, or ceramic, and want to avoid the hassle of holding pieces together, this is your go-to. Its gap-filling properties are also a significant advantage. What people say. It dries clear and forms a superior bond. The dispenser allows for precise application, mixing, and use of small amounts without waste. It hardens into a hard rubber, not brittle like other epoxies. Number 2. Loctite Epoxy Instant Mix 5-Minute Syringe. Discover the ultimate solution for quick and permanent repairs. This powerful adhesive is designed for a wide range of materials, ensuring a strong bond every time. Our innovative double syringe applicator dispenses and mixes the 2-part formula with ease. Get a precise, high-strength bond with every use. Need a quick fix? This epoxy sets in just 5 minutes and reaches handling strength in only 1 hour. Perfect for urgent repairs. Enjoy a bond that doesn't shrink and resists humidity, water, and common solvents. It also offers high impact resistance and can be easily sanded, drilled, or painted. From tile and wood to metal, ceramic, and glass, this versatile epoxy is your go-to adhesive. It's also ideal for filling gaps and surface repairs. What we like. This epoxy features a convenient self-mixing applicator for a high-strength, permanent bond that sets in just 5 minutes. If you value ease of use and a reliable, resilient finish that resists humidity, solvents, and impact, this is an excellent option. It's versatile enough for various materials and can be sanded or drilled after curing. What people say. Easy to use. Not a lot of pressure required to deliver the mixed fluids through the special syringe tube. Used it on a sock slide which is supposedly made out of ABS plastic. It's been working just fine, the glue is holding very well. I needed a strong epoxy which would flow well into crevices but was thick enough not to run all over. This is about the consistency of cold maple syrup upon dispensing but hardens within a few minutes to tacky and then starts to solidify. The epoxy resin cures up very hard in 24 hours but it does not seem to be brittle. It fills gaps well and is not difficult to work with. The dual syringe is compact enough that you can control application very easily. No mess, no fuss. The solution works smoothly and adhered well in less than 5 minutes. The only evidence it was ever broken is a small hairline scar. Number 1. Let's Resin UV Resin Kit with Light. Experience bonding and curing in mere seconds. This kit offers a low viscosity, strong adhesive that's odorless and highly transparent once cured. Unlike traditional glues, it remains workable until cured by the UV light. This allows for perfect modification and shaping, ideal for your artistic endeavors. It effectively bonds transparent materials like resin, glass, and acrylic. It's also great for welding glass, metal, and plastic, especially when one surface is transparent. The included UV flashlight is rechargeable and highly portable. Its high energy output ensures quick curing, making your projects efficient and easy to manage. With years of expertise, we are dedicated to providing craft enthusiasts with the best tools. We prioritize quality and your experience, ensuring your imagination becomes reality. For optimal results, please read the manual carefully before using the UV Cure resin. We're here to help if you encounter any issues. What we like. This UV resin kit offers an incredibly fast bonding and curing process, taking effect in mere seconds under UV light. If you're an artist or crafter who needs to quickly secure small ornaments, bond transparent objects like glass or acrylic, or perform delicate welding between materials, this is ideal. Its low viscosity allows for precise application and modification before curing. What people say. This epoxy glue is fantastic for metal repairs. It creates a strong and durable bond on metal surfaces. The glue dries clear, which is great for visible repairs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.